This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Geri Benson. Second floor veranda with 2 bedrooms/to-be move-in ready. Being offered turnkey. Come relax on your lanai with the water fountain splashing and watch the small gator currently swimming around or laying on the bank in the sun. Old Hickory is low-density membership and offers some of the finest golf in SWFL. The overactive club has golf leagues for men and women with many couples events. The pickleball courts are often busy, or you can relax at the Club Junior Olympic Pool. Minutes from the airport, Twins and JetBlue stadiums, best beaches in SWFL, hop skip jump, so much to do, so little time. Come for the golf. Stay for the friendships. For more information, review the details below.